yesterday was brilliant. Team really did a lot of hard work and it paid off well. We are really thankful to God that we won yesterday. And of course, winning is a amazing experience, but today we'll do better. And let's hope for the best. We look forward for the matches.
The inspiration for Mr. Sohail Khan was his son, who told him that he's interested in the game. Who was your inspiration? What made you think of trying your team?
Oh, so we are associated to paddle since last season. Uh, I had the same team last year as well, and I think that's the biggest reason we are still associated with them. But yes, beyond that, paddle is a fastest growing sport, and now it has been recognized in Olympics. So we believe that paddle will globally have the fastest mark in the sports industry, and we look forward to see the sports growing better. So tennis and paddle, we really look forward to have a good sport in the globally.
Tennis has already acquired a very glamour image. So when do you think paddle will attract Bollywood and Hollywood stars?
Oh, I'm not the sports person, so I really don't know what to comment on it. But I feel, as I mentioned, that it got recognized in Olympics. So I'm sure people will look forward, and it will get global recognition. We really hope for the best. Jaguar, as I said, we had this team with us last year, and it was a winning team last season. Thankfully, we got this team this year as well. Jaguar is a name given by the paddle league only, but most important, I want to thank the whole paddle team for.
Very quickly in India, so we're very excited to be able to bring this level of paddle players to the country. I think it's the first time that world champions, renowned players have played in India. So I'm sure it'll give a boost to all the sports fans and paddle fans.
And how different or similar is it to tennis?
The scoring is exactly like tennis, but the sport is a hybrid between tennis and squash. So it's not similar at all because you get to play off the glass, a lot of angles, obviously a lot of power, but a lot of strategy required.
So for the layman, is it what? Is it more exerting and tasking as compared to tennis? Or is it...
I wouldn't know because I haven't really played paddle at that level, but it looks very physical, it looks very demanding. So a professional sport at any level is pretty demanding.
What is your expectation? How will the Indian population take up with this game?
So I think, like I said, when you see the best in the world play, I'm sure it inspires a lot of kids, and I think paddle is growing very quickly in India. So I think this is going to help that fuel that growth, in my opinion.
But we need that infrastructure for the paddle courts and all, which is quite expensive as compared to the tennis court.
Well, they're already growing. I think this year there's 400% growth of paddle courts in the country. So if that growth continues, then soon in the next 5 years, they're already talking about paddle at the Olympics in LA. So I think the sport will continue to grow.
So whom are you pitching for? Which team do you think is the favorite to win?
Cheetahs.
Your guess, Cheetahs. And anything you would like to say to our youth, Indian youth?
No, I'm just, excited that the tournament is 2 days in and looking forward to a great final on Saturday.
What do you think was the response it has fetched from the media and the Indian people?
I think there's been, it's getting better every day. I think we're looking forward to a packed final. And like I said, it's the first year, we're going to grow the event every year and make it bigger and better.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
By a very big margin, so overall a very good day for us.
So you all Cheetahs are supposed to be favorites to reach the final?
I mean, we are a pretty solid team, but how we've played today, I think and I hope that we make it to the finals. So yeah, hoping for a great finals.
What is your blueprint to take it to the masses, to make it more popular in India for this paddle game?
So it's the first time that we are competing in the World Paddle League. This is the first time it has come to India. And as we are seeing the growth in India, it's massive. I was reading about it, and just a very small stat for you all. We had 67 paddle courts to begin with, and now we are already at 137 all across India. And our aim is to do some sort of, like tournaments all across India. I mean, that's the major plan, to get more Indian players into paddle, and especially trying to get them in the World Paddle League. So, some sort of tournament on a corporate level, or like getting the amateurs involved, junior tournaments and all. So we're going to do that to help grow paddle in India.
You mentioned we have 130 plus courts in India, paddle courts
Correct.
in India.
Yes.
What do you think our best of our Indian players, how would they rank with these world rankers? Are
So-
they good in term, or there's a vast difference between their skill and ability?
So there is a big gap as of now, but we've started filling it in. A lot of known people have started, playing paddle and associating themselves. A lot of big brands are investing in paddle. We definitely have the talent. It's just that we need to have more tournaments in India, and a lot of companies have started taking that initiative. So more and more tournaments will get us players, and we will definitely be there very soon. I personally want to start playing paddle because it's a very fast sport and it's an exciting sport, and we'll be there. We'll be competing with all the major players soon.
Mr. Googie, have you ever played paddle before? You
I
personally?
I have never played paddle, but it's a very good combination of squash and tennis. The format is really exciting. It's and especially doubles. You have a partner playing with you, so I just really love the concept. This is the first time I have seen paddle, and would love to play once I'm back in Delhi.
Since you are a marketing person, are you looking out to engage in some more celebrities to promote this game in India?
Absolutely. A lot of celebrities are in fact playing paddle. So we would love to see where we can, explore in terms of, getting any celebrity, or, try to create something for the paddle players out there. Try to engage, try to do a tournament where, even celebrities can participate and play with youngsters who are out there looking to compete in paddle, and who really want to play paddle and who are looking to play it professionally. So yeah.